song I'm going to be singing is Hard to Say Goodbye by Boyz II Men. And it's dedicated to everyone here tonight and out there watching from their homes. And last but not least, I would like to dedicate this song to my family up there, to the Nanas family, to my Sophia's family, to my youth back home, and everyone in Pago, and everyone here tonight. Hope you enjoy it. How do I it's going to leave me. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. If we get tomorrow, I hope it's worth all. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye. And I'll take with me the memories to be my sunshine after the rain. It's so hard to say goodbye.